Friends, welcome to Bank Exam Cafe, and today's episode we are going to see few more questions under the episode revision of 3 marks questions. Friends, this is the part 6 and previously we have uploaded 5 parts, and the links of all these 5 parts are provided in the description box. You can go through this so that you will get an idea that which type of questions can be asked for 3 marks and how to deal with such questions. Friends, also I request you to download the PDF from the description box which has the links of all revision type videos. Now let us see the first question of today's episode. Here is the first question on the screen. Find A, B and C if it is given that the numbers A, 7, B, 23, C are in arithmetic progression. If the numbers A, 7, B, 23 and C are in arithmetic progression and you have to find the values of A, B and C. It means you have to find the first term, third term and the fifth term. Friends, as we know that the difference between the second term and the first term, the difference between the third term and the second term, the difference between the fourth term and the third term, and the difference between the fifth term and fourth term will always be equal, then only it will be arithmetic progression, because common difference should be same. So here the difference between the second term and the first term, that is 7 minus A, that should be equal to third term minus second term, that is B minus 7, and that is equal to fourth term minus third term, that is 23 minus B, 23 minus B, which is equal to fifth term minus fourth term, that is C minus 23. Now here this from second and the third we can get, so from B minus 7, B minus 7 is equal to 23 minus B, 23 minus B, we get, if you take B to this side, that will be B plus B will be 2B, which is equal to 7 take to other side, so it will be plus 7, so 23 plus 7, that will be equal to 30, and 2 ones are 2, 2 15s are 30, and therefore B is equal to 15. Friends, here you have got the third term, that is B is equal to 15. That is the important step. Highlight that important step, because the examiner first check for these values only. So if your B is equal to 15 is correct, it is tallied with his answer, then he will go further. Now second, we will take that 7 minus A. 7 minus A is equal to B minus 7. 7 minus A is equal to B minus 7. So from 7 minus A is equal to B minus 7. So here B, we know that it is 15, put the value of B, so you will get 7 minus A, which is equal to 15 minus 7. So here 7 minus A, that is equal to 15 minus 7, that will be 8, correct? Now take 7 to this side, so 8 minus 7 will be 1, minus A will be equal to 1, and therefore A will be equal to minus 1. So you have got the first term, that is A is equal to minus 1. Highlight this also, because highlighting the important step makes your answer paper examiner friendly. Now we will see for the another. Other is what? 23 minus B is equal to C minus 23. I solve here only. To this side. So it will be what? It will be 23 minus B, that is equal to C minus 23. And so here you solve this and you will get it as 23. If you take to this side, that will become 23, and put the value of B as 15. So it will be 23 minus 15. Take this 23 to this side, so it will be plus 23, which is equal to C. If you solve this, you get it as C is equal to 31. Highlight this important step and at the end write the answer that A is equal to 1, B is equal to 15 and C is equal to 31. C is equal to 31. Now let us move to the second question. The second question is that if sin theta plus cos theta is equal to P and sec theta plus cosec theta is equal to Q, show that Q into bracket P square minus 1 close the bracket, which is equal to 2P. Now here the P is equal to sin theta plus cos theta and Q is equal to sec theta plus cosec theta, and we have to prove this. So first we will take LHS is equal to Q into bracket P square minus 1. Now what is Q? Q is sec theta plus cosec theta. So it will be sec theta plus cosec theta into P square. P is what? Sin theta plus cos theta, its bracket square. So sin theta plus cos theta bracket square minus P minus 1. Now open this bracket, that is A plus B bracket square, that is A square plus B square plus 2AB. So this will be sec theta plus cosec theta. Here inside the bracket it will be sin square theta A square plus B square, that is cos square theta, plus 2 into A into B. So it will be 2 into sin theta cos of theta minus 1. Now here sin square theta plus cos square theta, that will be 1, and this 1 and this minus 1 will be 0, and you will get this as sec theta plus cosec theta into bracket multiplied by 2 sin theta cos theta. 2 sin theta cos theta. Because this sin square theta plus cos square theta will be 1 and this minus 1 will get cancelled. Now here I put the values of sec theta as 1 upon cos of theta plus cosec theta is what? It is 1 upon sin of theta multiplied by 2 sin theta cos of theta. And so further this can be solved as here multiply by sin theta, here by cos theta, so it will be sin theta plus cos theta upon LCM will be sin theta cos theta multiplied by 2 into sin theta cos theta. So this sin theta cos theta and sin theta cos theta will get cancelled, and it will be equal to 2 into sin theta plus cos of theta. But sin theta plus cos of theta is what? It is P, and therefore which is equal to 2 into P, which is equal to right hand side. So here we have proved that LHS is equal to RHS. Now let us move to the next question. The roots alpha and beta of the quadratic equation x square minus 5x plus p plus 3 into bracket k minus 1 is equal to 0. Friends, here the question is incomplete. I just complete it. Now friends, here is the complete question, that if alpha and beta are the quadratic equation of x square minus 5x plus 3 into bracket k minus 1 close the bracket is equal to 0 are such that alpha minus beta is equal to 1 and find the value of k. We have to find the value of k, and the given quadratic equation is that x square minus 5x plus 3 into bracket k minus 1 close the bracket, which is equal to 0. And it is given that alpha minus beta, that is equal to 1. Let this be equation number 1. But sum of the roots alpha plus beta, that will be equal to what? Minus b upon a. So minus b, that will be minus into minus b upon a, that is 1, and so alpha plus beta, that is equal to 5. Minus and minus will be 5. So let this be equation number 2. Now solve this equation number 1 and 2, solving equations 1 and 2. If you solve this, so minus beta and plus beta will get cancelled, and you will get it as 2 alpha is equal to 6. 1 plus 5, that is equal to 6. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, and therefore alpha is equal to 3. Now here you have got the first root, that is alpha. So highlight that important step. Alpha is equal to 3. Now here put the value of alpha in either equation number 1 or equation number 2. So you will get the beta, that is other root. So put in equation 1. So if you put it alpha in equation number 1, you will get beta is equal to 2. Beta is equal to 2. So you have got the values of alpha and beta, and you have to find the value of k. So to find the value of k, what we will do, alpha beta is equal to c upon a. Alpha beta is equal to c upon a, and c upon a, that will be what? C upon a, that is 3 into k minus 1 upon a is 1. So alpha beta, that is product of the root, alpha is 3 and beta is 2. So the product of the roots will be 6, which is equal to 3 into bracket k minus 1. Now solve this to get 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. So k minus 1, that is equal to 2. Take 1 to other side, it will be plus 1, and so k is equal to 3. Highlight this term. So once you have got alpha, this is the first important step to get the value 1 mark. You got the value of beta, highlight that because that is the important step. There you will get mark, and this is the value of k, that is third here important step. So you have got the third important step. Here you will get 1 mark. So this way the marks are divided, and therefore the important steps should always be highlighted. Friends, today we will stop here, and I hope you must have enjoyed this video. If yes, please like the video, share it with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching this video.